Okay, so we're all playing with these new AI tools, right? But let's be honest, are you getting the results you want? Or are they kind of generic? Well, in this explainer, we are going to dive into the one skill that makes all the difference, the thing that separates the frustrating AI experiences from the truly mind-blowing ones.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. You ask for a brilliant marketing strategy, and you get something that sounds like it was written for a high school project. You ask it to write some code, and it gives you something that just breaks. It is so frustrating, and it really makes you wonder, are these tools actually as powerful as everyone says they are? And look, this right here, this is the whole problem in a nutshell. On the left, you've got this super lazy, one-word prompt, and the result on the right, it's just a jumbled, useless mess of text. It's that classic saying, right? Garbage in, garbage out. The quality of what you put in directly, and I mean directly, controls the quality of what you get out. So this is the big mental shift we all need to make. It's so easy to get frustrated and blame the AI. But here's the thing. The AI isn't the problem. It's not a mind reader. The quality of the answer it gives you is just a direct reflection of the quality of the question you asked. And that brings us right to the heart of what we're talking about today, prompt engineering. Now, this isn't just some techie buzzword. It's the absolute key skill for anyone who wants to go from just messing around with AI to getting professional-level results. So what is prompt engineering, really? Honestly, just think of it as the art of having a great conversation with your AI. It's all about designing your instructions, your prompts, to be so incredibly clear, so specific, that the AI has no choice but to give you exactly what you want. You're basically becoming its director.
I absolutely love this quote from Anasup Consulting because it just frames it perfectly. The AI isn't a magic 8-ball. It's a mirror. It can only show you a reflection of what you put in front of it. Ask a fuzzy, blurry question, and you're going to get a fuzzy, blurry answer back. But ask a sharp, detailed question, you get a sharp, detailed response. It's that simple.
Okay, so the theory is making sense. But how do we actually do it? Let's get practical and break down a super simple framework that is going to immediately upgrade your prompts. All right, meet the CRAFT method. This thing is a total game changer. It's an acronym that stands for context, role, action, format, and tone. So instead of just throwing a question into the void, you're now giving the AI a complete mission briefing. You're handing it a full blueprint for success. And just look at the difference here. It's night and day. On the left, we've got our old sad little prompt. But on the right, that's a prompt built with the CRAFT method. We've told the AI what its role is, given it context, a clear action, and even told it how to format the output and what tone to use. The chances of getting something amazing back just went through the roof.
Getting good at writing one great prompt is step one. But the next level? That's when you start thinking strategically about how to weave AI into your entire workflow to hit those big picture goals.
So, the first part of any smart AI strategy is knowing your tools. You know, not all AI is built the same. You wouldn't use a hammer to turn a screw, right? Same deal here. Some tools are fantastic for brainstorming wild ideas. Others are number-crunching geniuses for data analysis. And then you have the ones that can create stunning images. Knowing which tool to grab for which job is absolutely key.
And the second part of a great strategy? It's understanding the payoff. I mean, why are we doing all this? Well, take a look at this chart. The jump in productivity isn't just a little bump, it is massive. The time you save and the quality you produce by going from basic to advanced prompting, it can totally change the way you work. This isn't about working a little bit faster. It's about working smarter on a whole different level.
So if there's one thing you take away from all of this, let it be this. In this new age of AI, your words, they're your new tools. Your ability to communicate with clarity and precision is now the most important interface you have. Mastering that skill isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's absolutely essential to get the most out of this technology. And that leaves us with one last really exciting question. The gap between an idea in your head and a finished creation has never, ever been smaller. So now that you have the skills to ask for literally anything you can dream up, what are you going to create? What problems will you solve? The potential is just limitless.